right, everybody, welcome back. Now's the time to unveil the new project. So without further ado, check it out. Ta-da! A 2005 Harley-Davidson Sportster 883 that apparently has some 1200 upgrade parts on it. Now, this bike is a little bit of a family bike, as it was my grandfather's, then my mother's, then my uncle's, then my cousin's, and then my uncle's again. And now it's landed here, where it currently does not shift gears, and the handlebars might be a little bent, and it's just got old fluids and spark plugs. So what we gotta do is we're gonna do a full service. So plugs, oils, filters, new gas. I'm gonna drain that gas out, put some new gas in it. I'm also gonna pull the handlebars off to make sure they're straight and level. If not, I got some handlebars here that came off my Softail that I know are straight. And relatively, I believe, the same size as what we have here. The main issue is going to be the shifting issue. Like I said, currently it does not shift gears. And if you can tell, the foot peg mount is even a little loose. I know this bike has been dropped before a couple of times, as we can tell from some wear on the turn signals. It's already got a new battery, so we got that done. Really, the big issue is pulling the primary off and checking to see why we're not shifting gears. This is a great little bike. It's a fun little bike. I'm excited to get this thing running again and get it fixed up. It should be a fun little ripper. So that's the new project, new Sportster series. Should be a lot of fun getting this thing back up and running. Be sure to subscribe, stick around. I'm gonna be breaking this up into multiple videos as we do another rebuild series to show you guys everything that we're gonna be doing to the Sportster to get it in tip-top shape. So thanks for sticking around. See you in the next one.